Shamai, it's my Christmas rambles for 2025. Just a little look back at what's been going on throughout the year, some of the fun I've had, and maybe some of the things that are going to be happening in 2026. As a little treat, right at the end of this video, I'm going to put the whole of the Kool Hand Ukes version of Jingle Bells, and I'm pretty sure some of you will remember singing the same lyrics that we do. So, 2025, my first full year out of the classroom. I'm still doing teaching. I've got my online teaching. I've got pupils all over the world, and I've still been visiting primary schools where I'm introducing children to the ukulele, which has just been brilliant fun. Although one day a week in school is enough. So I've been attending the Bracklesham events. I did the Isle of Wight and Eastbourne this year. Absolutely brilliant. I did my first workshop there, a bass workshop, and again got to meet so many fantastic performers and catch up with old friends as well. So yeah, I've been loving doing the Bracklesham events. Way back in March, Kool Hand Ukes organised a ukulele festival. We had lots of local groups coming round to perform. Jeff Japers joined us as well, and that was to celebrate 11 years of Kool Hand Ukes, so that was really cool. And I had a couple of lovely visits up to Carla Brand, UK. Their headquarters are actually here in Wales. I went and tried a load of solid body U basses. It was lovely seeing all the different colours. And then they loaned me a load of the electroacoustic U basses. I had them here in the house and did a stack of reviews and things, which I've just finished now. But it was really nice trying all the different models. And then sort of getting towards the summer, we had our motorhome. So I went up to Shrewkfest up in Nottinghamshire. That was a lovely, lovely weekend run by the East Midlands Ukulele Project. And yeah, had some brilliant fun up there, met loads of new people, and of course saw some great performances. Then I drove the motorhome up to just outside Liverpool to Hoylake for the Summer Strum Ukulele Festival. Wow, what a brilliant weekend. Loads and loads and loads of local groups and acts all got together, all ukulele based obviously, and it was just so much fun, and got to meet loads of new people as well. Highly recommend Summer Strum. The Ukumaniacs, we were performing in some ukulele festivals as well, down in Pembroke for the Weekender, run by the Wales Ukulele Project. And then one of my favourites, Shrewkfest, just outside Shrewsbury. So yeah, Ukumaniacs, we went down a storm there. And we were invited all the way over for the Anarchy in the Garden event, which it was a brilliant, brilliant day. And apart from those three festivals, Ukumaniacs, we're doing all sorts of other gigs as well throughout the year. And we've now had Sarah, our fifth member, a percussionist, join us. So that's added another real layer to the Ukumaniacs. And I've still been trying to build my other channel, Webb's World, which is more vlogging, but it isn't just ukulele based. It's got everything. There is ukulele stuff on there, but it's got all sorts of other stuff on there as well. To do with the motorhome, Richard, my husband, is on there. The pets are on there as well. So we've been having a bit of fun with that. So yeah, it has been an incredibly busy year, but I'm not going to lie, it's been fantastic. So bringing us up to Christmas, really, Kool Hand Ukes, we got invited to play for the Ustragan Lights Christmas tree light switch on. That was lovely. It was a little bit cold, but it was a lovely way to start the Christmas period off. Kool Hand Ukes, we had our Christmas evening out where we all go out for a nice meal, took our ukuleles, did quite a lot of singing, had a laugh. So yeah, here are just a few little snippets of what really happens on a ukulele night out with the Kool Hand Ukes. Oh. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down any key, just choose any key. Listen and listen and all this ring, no! That's so fast. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings on, say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus is coming to night. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. A day or two ago, really a story I may tell. It happened, I went out on the street, it was white, and on my arse I fell. I kept up riding on a one-horse open sleigh, really fast around the fair, I sprawling live and quickly drove past it. Oh, jingle bells, Batman says. And I brought some corn for Bobby, the lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate being out in the snow. But if you really hold me tight, I'm all the way home, I'll be home. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we say goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Everyone's dancing merrily in a new old-fashioned way. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear. So here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. It's Christmas, it's only just begun. So it's the Kool Hand Ukes Christmas do. Oh, hasn't it been lovely?
It's been lovely. I didn't dance so because I got a little case of plant fasciitis.
I was very disappointed you didn't dance.
Yes, I can't. But hip as well.
Oh no,
Very painful.
old age has come along, does it? What did you have for food? Was it nice?
I had a turkey.
A whole turkey? Oh, da iawn. Da iawn. Anything with the turkey?
Cranberry sauce.
Oh, nice.
Sprouts.
Oh, a little bit of wind maybe going on down there. Oh, no. And then we've been playing some ukulele.
Ukulele.
Or if you're from Llanelli, you're ukulele.
Yes.
So we're going to say goodnight now from Kool Hand
I
Ukes.
tell you though, I didn't sing my favourite song.
What is your favourite song?
Dirty Old Cow.
Oh, it's not Dirty Old Cow, it's Dirty Old Town. We've had this conversation before. Right, so we're going to say Nadolig Llawen.
Nadolig Llawen.
Oh, da iawn. Hwyl fawr.
Hwyl fawr.
And for our last group meet in the Kool Hand Ukes, we had a little bit of a buffet, some lovely food, played again lots of lovely Christmas music, and it's just a nice way to sort of say Merry Christmas to everybody at the end of the year. And the Ukumaniacs, we had a little bit of a Prezi exchange and a little bit of catch-up. Sarah couldn't make it. She's been a bit poorly with the flu and things. But yeah, it was nice seeing the girls and giving and getting some very silly presents. And with it being so close to the end of the year, the Ukie Awards run by Anarchy and the Ukulele are coming up very soon. I was very honoured to win Ukulele Personality of the Year for 2024. The nominations have shut. In fact, the voting is shut now. I have been nominated again for Ukulele Personality of the Year and for Best YouTube Channel for Ukulele. We'll just have to wait and see. I am not holding my breath on them at all, but if you have voted for me or nominated me, thank you very much. And if you want to tune in to see the results of the Ukies, I will pop a link for Anarchy and the Ukulele YouTube channel because it's going to be live on the 30th of December. So, what does 2026 bring? There are going to be some very exciting things happening, which I can't tell you about at the moment. I'm really sorry. As soon as I can tell you, I will. I keep saying this, I am really hoping to get back into doing live streams again, but I am definitely going to be doing more electric ukulele stuff and more bass lessons and tutorials and things. My bass method book is coming on nicely, so I've got a lot of stuff that hopefully is going to translate into videos very soon. More Bracklesham events to look forward to. Great Yarmouth, January. Isle of Wight in March, and Eastbourne, which is, I'm guessing, probably about the end of October, beginning of November 2026. And the more I'm doing of them, the more I love them. They're absolutely brilliant events. If you haven't been to one and don't even know what they're about, seriously go and check them out, because it is a fantastic weekend. Ukumaniacs, we're playing in Pembroke, that's already booked, and Shrewkfest as well. Who knows where else we might appear. And the same as last year, I am planning to go to ukulele events and festivals, and I actually have the motorhome now. So please, if you know of anything that you think I might enjoy, let me know in the comments below so I can have a look on the diary and get things in the calendar ASAP. So that's it for my Rambles 2025. Can I just say though, a huge thank you to all of you guys for watching, for liking, for commenting and for subscribing. It's why I make the videos, knowing you guys enjoy them. But I also have to say a really huge thank you to all my Patreons. Literally, without you guys, I couldn't be doing this now. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much. So, Nadolig Llawen, Blwyddyn Newydd Dda, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you want to watch the Kool Hand Ukes whole version of Jingle Bells, and it is worth it, I promise you, watch to the end of this video. But thank you all so much. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.
Laughing all around.